This is how to your baby brother calm down. This is in Philippines. Then, say, Dad! Dad! Come! So, ba't ako yawin? Stay. Okay? Stay. Ising gagawin natin, Jay. Okay. Here's that. You calm down your little brother, okay?